Many people think MACD is complicated, but it's really simple. Today I'll show you how to read this indicator and use it with Olymp Matix to trade easier and smarter. So what is MACD? So MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line, plus a histogram. So when the MACD crosses above the signal line, it's a buy signal, and when it crosses below, it's a sell signal. So the histogram shows the trend strength. So rising bars mean the trend is strengthening, then falling bars means weakening. This helps to identify momentum changes in the market. So why MACD works well with Olymp Matix? Obviously the robot reacts quickly to signals, unlike a human trader, which is very crucial in fast markets. Well guys, with that said, I just want to get into trading. I'm going to show you practically on how to apply the MACD indicator and see how it can change your trading. Alright guys, so now we're in the Olymp Matix AI web app, and I just want to show you how to apply the MACD indicator to your trading. So you can just go there to indicator selection and click on MACD right there. As you can see, MACD is on technical indicator right there, so you need to make sure it appears there, right? And then on the trading asset, it usually depends on you, but let's just keep it on auto selection so that the robot can just choose the one with more momentum. And then with the risk, I'm going to opt for optimal, because optimal, every time maybe we lose, it increases the risk on the next trade, so that on the previous trade we just recover, and showing that we are profitable 100%. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna start the robot now, and if you are trading and you found the MACD that is not available there, what you do is that you click on the first option there, and then you click on the indicator you want to see, right? So that you can just have a technical overview of where the indicator is, the MACD, the signal line, also the histogram, so everything is there. So that's it. Now we are trading, and I'm going to be using a demo account just to showcase to you this, and then we see if it is applicable to use it on live funds, right? Because I do recommend you guys to use the demo just to test, and then once you find consistency with the strategy you've chosen and the indicator you're willing to choose, and then you can then start to migrate to real funds, right? But then what I can say is optimal risk is the best, right? Because even if you can lose 5 times in a row, the 6th is gonna hit for a big profit and recover all of the losses, and everything is gonna be fine. So here the first trade did take a loss, which is fine. Yes, as you can see right there, the risk amount has increased, but if you win that one, it's gonna recover, and I'm gonna make more. So that's it. Let's just watch the MACD do its thing on Olymp AI, and here, let's go. So guys, that is what I was explaining. Even if you can take a couple of losses, only one win we need to recover everything. As you can see right there, the robot is already up 85 USD, right? And that is pretty much amazing. So far the MACD is working on our favor, which is good, man. So let's go, let's continue to see more results. Oh guys, the MACD is being amazing, already up 171 USD. And guys, in this scenario, you can see that the blue line is the MACD line, and it's below the signal line, indicating that that's a clear sell signal. And yeah, man, almost hit our winner there just by a few seconds, but then still it is what it is. But then, as I said, what I like here, you will see we're now risking 400, and that is going to just be recovered in one trade. As you seeing what I'm saying, right? Oh, the signals are looking good, and that's a clean recovery there, clean. As you can see, guys, already up 256 USD, which is pretty much good. So let's have a last round of profit, and then we exit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's see how far it would take it. But then I'm so happy with the performance, the consistency is still there, and I just want people to know we are gonna get a few losses here and there, but that doesn't mean now doesn't work. No, you just need to be patient and just keep it going, man, with the indicator, the MACD, and be patient, and you will see the wonders will happen, man. The wonders will happen. Losses are there to be taken, and if you're someone who like easily gives up and says but look now, we're like up in beautiful profits. And as I said, with the optimal strategy, the risk increases every time you take a loss, so it may then take your profit a bit, but then one trade will just get you back even more profit. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. As you saw, guys, we did have a couple of losing streak there, but then we just killed it again, man. We killed it, and we're just now up 311 USD. So man, the robot is doing amazing things. Don't wanna lie, the robot is doing amazing things, fam. So do try this out for yourself, and then once you're satisfied, then come put in your refunds and just kill it, man. You know what I'm saying? So also there's this buy that has also been taken right now. Only 20 seconds left. Let's see. But so far the robot has been profitable using the MACD. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna close it, and then you will see, because it's now gonna close really, and then you will see it's gonna go up there. So that was a winner. Yeah, 15 racks. So yeah, man, that's it. You guys saw that was an amazing session, man. We were able to kill it with the MACD indicator plus the Olymp Matix trading robot. So combining the MACD with the Olymp Matix robot is so crucial, because the robot takes the trades for themselves, because as an individual you may read the signals very wrong. Sometimes you are not going to be perfect, whereas the robot is going to be perfect in reading and calculating what it sees on the MACD automatically, right? So that is why AI is here to do for us, guys. You have to use it to our advantage. Use it with Olymp Matix, because as I said earlier, someone might be slow when taking the signals based on the MACD, but then the robot is just gonna do it for you automatically. So with that said, guys, do try Olymp Matix for yourself with the MACD indicator. The link is in the pinned comment, guys, and if you want step-by-step guide on how to sign up, do hit me up on Telegram. Also there's the link below. With that said, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Goodbye.